Okay. You gotta wipe it all around. Make a big mess. Oh, that's fun.
The hands. The hands.
What happened to your hands?
Oh no, the hands. The hands.
What's on your hands?
The hands. The hands.
You gotta wash
The
them off.
hands. Yes. The hands.
You have to wash them off right away?
Oh yeah, it's clean.
Okay, do that one. You rub them together? Okay, I gotta dry them off. Gotta dry them off.
Again.
Oh, careful, buddy. Okay, get all this. Get the blue.
Oh, the hands are dirty. Uh-oh. What happened?
The hands.
My hands.
Show Daddy your hands.
Daddy. Gotta wash them. There you go.
This part wasn't on Pinterest, buddy. It didn't say wash hands right between each rubbing. Okay, gotta dry them off. Gotta dry them off. Again. Okay, we'll do it again. Oh, how about you get a little bit of this blue? Can you get right here with your hand? Right here. Yep, there you go. Wow! Oh, you okay, buddy?
Okay, we're gonna take a long picture.
Your hands are getting wrinkly. Oh no, that's Icky's. That's Icky's. We'll stay on this side. Oh, stay on this side. Get your other hand. Get your left hand.